Now your playtime in the chair, Mama. In March 2023, you're gonna be 7 months this month. Right now you're 6 months. Your first time in the jail. Having a baby cookie. You've eaten these before. You get it. Good kid. Hello, Gigi Mama. Good kid. And I got your baby food afterwards too. I'm gonna make sure your bib's okay, baby. It's not hurting you or anything. I'm gonna scoot your bib down. Are you fine? Yeah, you're fine, I think. Good kid. You eating cookie, Mama? Yeah? Cookie? Your baby cookie? Are you getting done with it? Oh, okay. No, still? You want some more? Good girl. That's a cookie. There's your mommy. Oh, wait. There. Mommy, I love you. And there's Bubba. Bubba's taking a nap while you're eating. He's been taking a nap. You guys both had earaches, so he's been asleep for almost 3 hours. You were taking a nap too. But then you've been awake with Daddy because Mom was outside talking to my friend Jamie. We're hanging out. You want my help? Oh, I'll help you, baby.